sa Libya. Ngayon po ay makapanood ako ng The Boat, The Sinking. Hanggang po yung crop. I-stop ko lang. So guys, si Pap na usam kaya si Jillian. Go! The Boat, The Sinking. Group yourself into two. Okay. The Boat, The Sinking. Group yourself into six. Bye! Bye! Jillian at saka Mia. Dito ka na, Jillian.
Ako si Jillian, si Sarah Mia ko.
The Boat, The Sinking. Group yourself into five. Tagalakay. The Boat, The Sinking. Group yourself into two. Bye, Bang. The Boat, The Sinking. Group yourself into three. Bye, Kid. The Boat, The Sinking. Group yourself into two. Okay na, panalo na kayo. Kanang winner na. Candy lang. Oh, hati kayo dyan.
Tapos talong pa tayo. May curve pa kami. Nag-curve pa kami. Nakapito pa lang. Mamaya naman ito guys. Kunin natin makunin.
Ang laro naman natin yung pasapasahan bola.
Okay.
Tapos pag tumigil yung tugtog, doon na yung out, yung tumigil yung bola. Okay. Game, stop ko lang. Go!
Okay.
Ano ang bola? Naalala ko pa nung nililigawan pa lamang kita dadalaw. Nakaisap na yung tugtog.
Okay, Beng.
Oy!
Okay, Beng.
Bye, Beng. Oh, isog naman, isog dun. Ako? Mamaya ka. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Kita nung nililigawan pa